Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I'm going to do another swipe tonight, and I have, this is my Colorplace. I did put a squirt of GAC 800 in it because I was noticing I was getting a little bit of cracking. Not a lot, just a little, on some of my pieces. So, and of course there's a bug hanging around. Okay, so my colors, this is a mixture of Amsterdam greenish blue and teal. This one I used on the last one. It's golden teal fluid. So this is going down first. I'm gonna try to do one like this for a change. I want a lot of color. So maybe I'll put it up this way too. There we go. Something a little different. Well, now I'm getting carried away. So, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is put down some of the, I just stepped on something. TLP, this one is, gosh, I always forget the names. This is the one, let me see here. Sorry guys. And this is sequins. And then I'm going to put down this lime green. My friend Cindy Vanderveen. It's one big fat line. And then I'm going to put down some shimmer. So there's a lot, the TLP interference, there's going to be a lot of those in here. Then I'm going to put down this lovely golden small 2. And I'll put a lot of that down because I really like it. And my swipe color tonight is a mixture of, I've got way too much paint. It's even falling off already, darn it. I just stepped on something. Oh, that's what I stepped on. Okay, my swipe color is a mixture of Liquitex gouache in fluorescent violet and Amsterdam Reflex Rose. So those two colors mixed together are going to be my swipe color. And I'm going to need to put more paint down on the edges. I think I'm going to swipe with a big tool tonight. All right. And we might spin it, we might not, we're not sure. I have this one and I have this one. And here is the Reflex Rose. So I'm gonna put it on the back of this. Wow. And I made my cell activator really thick. So let me see if I can get through this without putting too much pressure on it. Ooh. Most of the colors, oh shoot, on here. Maybe I should just look at it. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Oh, it is. Son of a gun. I just took all the color I had on here and swiped it again, and it worked. Well, that's something new. I'm always learning new things. It's a good thing. Wow, very cool. All right, so I'm gonna take my little one and swipe this little area here. Pretty. And I have a little bit left here. And I might even swipe that again. Maybe I should put more color down. Maybe not as much. That was pretty cool though, being able to swipe it twice. Shimmer. Well, so much for not as much. Yeah, it's just dripping off. Here's my cell activator. This is the consistency. It's pretty thick. All right, big one or little one? Well, I just put the big one in the water bucket, so let's just do the little one. Less pressure. Very colorful. Very cool. All right. So do we want to tilt this or do we want to spin it? There's one piece in there that doesn't have any cell activator. Oh, but you know what you can do? It's right in the center. Wow, I love these colors. I don't know if that did too much. I should let that come up a bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And if this doesn't work out, we can always do another one. We've got plenty of paints. Tilting it very slowly. Yeah, there was a lot of paint on that one, that last one I did. Too much. Let's bring it over here. Take some of those cells off and just grab the corner and then bring it back. Turntables are not just for spinning. They can be for tilting too. But I do think we're going to spin this one. Let me move stuff out of the way. Oh, darn it. Whoopsie. Oh, I'm liking what's happening. All right, I think I'm gonna spin this now. Wish me luck. Wow, there's a lot of color coming off that side. Wow. All right, let me put some more paint on that one corner, just to let it slide around a little bit better. What's everybody doing tonight? It's Saturday night. I work today. Oh my gosh. I thought my check-in time was 10:30. No, it was 9:30. So I they called me. I had this, I have a special ring for crew scheduling. And so I'm thinking, oh, well, maybe they canceled the flight. No. So I grabbed an Uber real quick, made it before the flight took off, and all is well. I'll probably get written up, but I'm just not used to the routine yet. So, whatever. Kind of stretching these cells out a little bit. All right, one more spin. Ugh. Whoa, that's some big, big cells. Whoa. I don't mind it. Not at all. I might take this corner off just a little bit. It looks like it's splitting. I don't know what color that is that's splitting. Don't like that. Whoa, Wilbur. Of course, if we don't want to, you know, here's another way of being able to fix that. And that would be to, where's my, oh man, I really like this. There we go. Now we can spin it right off. Yeah, I like that better. Holy cow. So many cool colors. And I'm liking the white cells because it provides a really nice contrast for the darker colors. Not that they're really dark, they're kind of bright, but yeah, loving it. And then we've got that cool blue in there. Yeah, I'm glad I took that corner off. It's still kind of there, but not really. I'd have to tilt it after all. Doesn't seem like the paint's moving too quick, so. Wow, that is cool. I love it. Loving it. Yeah, I'm still not happy with that. It's coming off. Wow, do I want to mess with it? I might. Wow. Wow. Where's my stick? Either ruin it or make it really cool. Well, that didn't do much. That's cool. I really like that. What do you think, guys? Oh, I don't know if that's a bubble or... Yeah, it was a bubble. I'm gonna have to take you down to see what all of the interference colors did to it. Oh, well, that didn't do much. There. I love this right here. Not that crazy about that, but I still can fix it. Little Miss Fix It. Just take a little bit of white and put it right dab in the middle. There. Better. I like a lot. Just the colors are so vibrant. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you down. I think I'm only gonna do one tonight. Let me do need to take your finger and run it along the sides so that the paint doesn't continue to flow down and mess with your composition. So, I'll be back in a flash. All right, guys. This is it. So colorful. My phone is full of paint. Now this blue is coming up a lot darker than it is in real person. In real person, as opposed to fake person. Duh. But we do have some shimmering going on here. And I noticed that the green picked up a lot of it. That's the shimmer. Definitely the TLP shimmer. Very cool. And I like that pink. Well, fluorescent violet pink. Look at this one. Whoopsie. Cell activator. It really changed some of the colors. See what I mean about that green? I don't mind the white cells at all. Look at it, there's like some really pastel colors in here too. And then the dark. And then pastel. And then the dark. I'm such a goof. All right, guys, and then this is what I did to the center. But I mean, I could put a little pink one in the center, but I'm like, nah. Almost looks like a starting of a hurricane or something. We won't talk the H word right now, though. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.